Hello friends, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will learn how to find the roots of these cubic equations. And the equation here is 2x cubed plus 3x square minus 11x minus 6 that is equal to 0. Hence in this video I will cover factor theorem to check the possible value by trial and error method, and next to get the other roots of this equation using synthetic division method. And finally, we'll check our answers. So friend, if still you have not subscribed the channel, please do subscribe the channel and also give thumbs up to the video. Let's start the video. The first step for solution of this problem is, first step is form the equation in standard form. Standard form of this cubic equation is ax cubed plus bx square plus cx plus d, that's equal to 0. So here the a is coefficient of a cube, that is 2 here, and likewise b is the coefficient of x square. For this expression it is 3, so 3, and c is the coefficient of x, here it is negative 11, so it is negative 11, and d is the constant value, here it is negative 6, so negative 6 is our d. So friend, for solution of x we have to make factorizations of this term. For making factorizations, first of all, we have the constant value, that is d. D is 6 here. For satisfying one value, we will first factorize 6. So the factor of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6 itself. If these numbers will not satisfy these expressions, then we will take negative value also, negative 1, negative 2, negative 3 and negative 6. Now we'll put the value of x as 1, whether it is satisfying this expression or not. If we'll put 1 in place of x, if we'll put 1 in place of x, then this value will be 2 multiplied 1 is 2. So 2 plus, and the value of this term will be 3 multiplied by 1 square will be 3, and that is negative here, negative 11 and 1 11 and negative 6. If we'll add, it is positive 5 and it is negative 17, so it does not equal to 0, so we cannot take the value of x as 1. So now we'll put the value of x as 2. So next our equation will be 2 times 2 cube is 8, so it will be 16 plus here 3 and x square will be 4, 12, and negative 11 2s are 22 and negative 6. So now we'll add 16 and 12 is 28, and here 22 and 6 again negative 28. So this equals to 0. So this equal to 0. So the value of x is equal to 2 satisfies these expressions. So friend, here we have got one value of x that is equal to 2. This will our one solutions. So friend, hope till here everything is clear. Just here we have taken the factors of 6 and then we have put the value of x as this factor value. Then if it comes to 0, then this will our one solution. Now moving ahead is step 2. So friend, in the next step 2, to get the other root of these expressions, we'll use synthetic division method. For applying synthetic division method, first of all we'll write the coefficient of x cube, that is 2 here. So we'll write 2 first. Then we'll write the coefficient of x square. It is 3. Thereafter we'll write the coefficient of x coefficient here is negative 11, and after that the constant value, that is d, is negative 6. So after that we'll write like this, and we have the solution as 2, so we'll write 2 here. In the next part, here 2 we'll write as it is, 2 and 2, and after that we'll multiply 2 with this number. We have 2 here, so 2 2s are 4. We'll write it here 4, so 4, and we will add it and it becomes 7, so we'll write 7. Now in the next part we have 7 here, so we'll multiply by 2 with 7 and we'll write it here. 2 7s are 14, So we'll write 14 here. Now we'll add again. If we'll add 14 negative 11 is 3. So we have got 3 value. So now we'll again multiply by this number, that is we have got 3. 2 multiplied 3, it is 6. So 6 here, and we'll add, it is negative 6 and positive 6 is 0. So we have got the remainder here is 0. Therefore we will make this as coefficient of x square. So it is coefficient of x square, so we can write 2x square, and it is coefficient of x, so 7x, and it is number value and constant value will be 3. So we can write it here. So our next factor will be 2x square plus 7x plus 3, that will equal to 0. So if you look at it, is in the form of quadratic equation. It is a quadratic equations. Now for solution of this quadratic equations, we can factorize it. For that we multiply the coefficient of x square, that is 2, and we'll multiply the constant value, that is 3, will be 6. So for making 6 to 7, we'll factorize it, and the factor of it is 1 and 6 will satisfy it. If we'll add 6 and 1, so it is 6x plus x, we'll write 7x as 6x and x. Now we'll factorize it. It is 2x square here, 2x square and plus 3, that is equal to 0. Therefore from these first two terms we can take 2x common. If we take 2x common, the remaining is x here and here plus 3. Likewise we'll take 1 common from these two, and after taking 1 common, the remaining is x plus 3, that is equal to 0. Now again x plus 3 will take, so x plus 3 times 2x plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now multiplication of two values is 0, so we can write either x plus 3, that is equal to 0, or 2x plus 1, that is equal to 0. So here the value of x will be negative 3. Now it is 2x, that will equal to negative 1, and the value of x will be negative 1 divided by 2. So friends, here we have calculated two more values of x, that is x is equal to negative 3, and here x is equal to negative 1 by 2. So in the next step we'll check our answers whether they are right or not. For that we'll erase this. So step 3 will be, we'll check our answers. So friend, in this step we'll add our answers. We have first 2, and here it is negative 3, and here it is negative 1 by 2. If this value is equal to negative b by a, b means here b and a, if it is satisfying these values, then our answer will be alright. Now let us calculate here. Negative 3 and plus 2 is negative 1. So it is negative 1 and negative 1 by 2 means, so that is equal to negative 3 by 2. Now we'll put negative, and b here is 3, and the value of a is 2. So we'll write 2. So here negative 3 by 2 is equal to negative 3 by 2. This satisfies this expression. So here the values of x are 2, negative 3 and negative 1 by 2 is our answer. So this is our answer of this expressions, means the root of this cubic equation. So friend, if you like the video, share my videos amongst your friends, and do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching the video.